Hey, this is Joel with the Traveler Toolkit to tell you about my favorite everyday carry item. This is my Benchmade Bugout knife. My wife got this for me for Christmas last year, and they're not cheap. If you know anything about Benchmade knives, they're not made cheaply, they don't perform cheaply, and therefore you're gonna pay up for it. But I think this could possibly be the best pocket knife I've ever had. As a guy who's had a pocket knife in his pocket since he was 14 years old almost every day, this might be the best one I've ever had, and there are a few reasons why. Let me tell you about that. First and foremost, it's the size of this one. The size is nearly perfect for my hand. It's easy to open and close. It's a one-hand operation both ways. And I love the spring mechanism that unlocks this blade. That's really not something you're gonna see. I've never seen it on any other knife, maybe some imitators, but just simply pulling back on this and releasing that blade to me is such a satisfying thing. I tend to flip knives and kind of do this all day in and out. And I really like that mechanism. I also like the clip. I appreciate that this clip is at the top of the knife and it's not like an inch down like most of them. So if I do put this in my pocket, it's actually gonna go all the way in my pocket with this clip top coming all the way to the end of the knife. And then of course there's a little notch, not a notch, a hole there on the end so you can attach, whether it's a cord or a ring or something to put this on a key ring. It's small enough and lightweight enough that you can put it on anything, attach it to stuff if you don't want to lose it. Now let's talk about this exterior casing. This is extremely lightweight. I really, really like it. Even though it might feel like just plastic, it's not cheap. It is not junky. It's made with a purpose to keep this lightweight and keep it functional. And probably the most important thing about a knife is that this knife will never go dull. And that's not because it's some kind of special blade, but that's because Benchmade offers lifetime resharpening. You can actually send your knife back to Benchmade. They'll sharpen it for you. It's got a really great warranty. They're going to stand behind their knives. And so for all those reasons, it is my favorite knife. It is in my pocket 90% of the time. If it's not in my pocket, it's in my car when I'm not allowed to take it into concerts or wherever there might be metal detectors. This is the Benchmade Bugout Mini, and I love mine. Had it for several years now. So if you're looking for an everyday carry knife that you can carry every single day of your life, pass on to your kids, try the Benchmade Bugout Mini.